am with Bucks FBI here. Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Polokwane City 0. Inali khoma ke ri Polokwane City. Bangania. Ba re league tsamaile o reng wena ba ri tsamaile ya.
Lutho.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ujani.
Sharp unjani.
Bese angigoganas baba.
Yeah.
I'm supporting Orlando Pirates in South Africa.
Oh, ushapota o number 2. Yeah. Okay. Uthini kwezi? Yeah. I khuluma.
I'm supporting Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Arsenal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates and Arsenal.
Yeah. So this year.
Yeah.
By this time,
yes,
in South African football,
yes,
they've been using a guard of honor.
Yes,
they've been having guard of honor
for the past many years.
For the past 5 or 6 years.
Yes.
By this time,
there's competition.
There's competition this season.
Who is bringing the competition?
The one and only Mighty Parks. But the other ones, the other ones, the other ones, the other 50, the other 14 teams, the other 14 teams.
They are just there to add numbers.
They are just there to add numbers. Yeah. Some of them are even happy that in the past 3 years they haven't been into top 8.
Yes.
Yeah. They haven't been into top 8.
And you have been deputy champions for
I've been for 5 seasons.
But someone says you have been almost champions.
But in fact, it depends on how I started this season.
Yeah.
This season, I'm telling you, my brother. Today I'm going to Cape Town.
Yeah.
For Tuesday game.
For Stellenbosch.
We are still 9.
We are Stellis.
Yes, Stellis.
Yeah.
If we win, must win, I champion 2025-2026 champions.
Congratulations, man.
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Ikhona team ezongibambela wona and angifuni Chiefs ngibambele wona.
Yeah.
Yes, Galaxy.
Yes, Galaxy.
Yabona bayakuphi.
Kuthiwa njalo nje Galaxy.
Iziwa njalo mara iziwa ngawo. Yes, Galaxy waluza 5 mara iziwa ngabo. Nabo bayazi. Nabo bayazi.
Yeah.
So I want to pass from Tom 1 to Tom 3.
Yes.
I feel like Tom 4.
Yeah.
Who useless?
Useless.
Challenge from Tom 1.
Yeah.
My fellow my fee.
Bari bajoyinga bakazife.
Ngaka na ba share how many points?
Yeah. Barikade.